Welcome to the tutorial on exchange rates. This, of course, will cover everything under the Group Manage Exchange Rates screen. If you're interested in learning more about the automation of exchange rates or how to update historical rates, please see the additional videos in the knowledge library. The Manage Exchange Rate screen here initially prompts us to select a year and then a currency. These are all the currencies that are available in the group based on the companies that have been added. And if we select a currency there, you will see we have all of our months on the left. We have an average rate for the month and a closing spot rate for the month. You can go ahead in here and capture this information as required. And you'll see that we allow up to 8 decimal places. Once you have captured those rates, of course, just go ahead and hit the update button or the update all button to save all the items that you've entered. You will also see that we keep a separate list for budget rates and a separate list for forecast rates. One thing worth pointing out is that all rates are relative to the US dollar, so you don't need to maintain any cross-currency rates, but you will see here that every single currency that I have selected needs to be captured relative to $1 US. And that concludes the tutorial on the Manage Exchange Rates function.